Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you what I bought online and arrived today.
Once again the stupid intro of this channel. And I'm not a girl.
As you can see, what arrived today were these accessories that will be used to improve some of my figures. This and this go to a figure. This, and this go to another figure. This goes to another one. This goes to another figure's head. This goes in some asshole's bread bag. This goes to a colonel. These are two boxes that brought some of the accessories. And that's all in this video. You already know that subscribing and liking is free. Please do so. Coming soon a video where these accessories were used. Stay tuned.
No. No, man. No, man.